If you notice you've dropped a stitch and it's unravelled several rows, use a safety pin to catch it and prevent it from unravelling further. Then work back to the point where the dropped stitch has occurred. Notice the horizontal strands that lie above the dropped stitch. Remove the safety pin and then use a crochet hook to scoop the first horizontal strand through the stitch. Then do the same with the next horizontal strand, all the way up, placing the final horizontal strand on the needle, ready to knit.